In this video, I will show you how to send Ethereum from Bitvavo to another wallet. So from our Bitvavo home screen, we're going to click on the blue icon at the bottom. And in here, we're going to select withdraw. Right now, select Ethereum in here. In this screen, you're going to select the address that you want to transfer to. So if you don't have one yet, then click add new address for ETH. And in here, you need to select the network that you want to send the Ethereum on. And it's really important that the network you select in here is the same as you're going to select on your other wallet. And if you don't match these networks, then your crypto can be lost and stuff like that. So go ahead and select the same network in here as you are going to on your other wallet. So I'm just going with Ethereum and click on continue. In this screen, you can enter a wallet address name, and below you need to enter the withdrawal address in. So let's say I'm going to call it other wallet ETA, and below I'm going to insert the wallet address from my other wallet. So right now I'm going to my other wallet, and in this tutorial I'm going for Trust Wallet, but you can basically use any other wallet. Just find an option that's saying receive or deposit crypto, and on Trust it is receive. So click on receive and right now select Ethereum in here. And you copy this address, and this is what we're going to insert in Bitvavo. So go ahead and insert this address in here, and then click on this address belongs to me if it is yours, and otherwise don't select this. And after you're going to click on continue. So Bitvavo will always send you a confirmation email when you create a new address. So go ahead and look in your junk or your spam folder or just your normal inbox and go to this email and then click on confirm address request. And please note that it can take up to 15 minutes in order to get this email in your mailbox. So click on confirm address request and then move on back to your app. So after you have your address confirmed, click on your address, and in here you can insert the amount that you want to send. So let's say that I want to transfer 3 euros of Ethereum, then I'm going to click on preview transfer order, and I can already see the fee included, and that is 63 euro cents. So click on preview transfer order, and down below click on Send ETH. So as you can see, my transfer has been made. I have now transferred my Ethereum from Bitvavo to another wallet, and in this case Trust. So that is how you do it. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.